Hi there! In this video, I will guide you on how you can list multiple coins on CoinGecko. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you showcase multiple cryptocurrency projects on the platform. So first, you will have to go to coingecko.com, which is right here, and then you will go ahead and search for submit the coin and make sure that you already have an account so that you will be able to access all the features on the website. So once you see submit a coin, you will just go ahead and click that. And for each coin, you will fill out your card information, including name, symbol, contract address, website, and social links. You will upload any supporting documents for verification and then submit the coins one by one or as a batch if allowed. Then you will check your submission status under your dashboard and click My Submissions. And yeah, that's basically it. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you can also check under Add Coin and then click Submit New Currency. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.